Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. I am just gonna eat my breakfast right now. One toast with butter and two tangerines. Oh, sorry, clementines. So this is what I like to eat in the morning that I can stomach in. And yeah, so let's start our day.
Guys, I had a long day. I just got done with work. It's almost 6. Tanya just gave food to Marvel and I just took care of the plants outside. You guys must have not seen the plants in a while. Let me show you. They are all doing really good. There are so much tomatoes in there. Can you see all those tomatoes? Yeah. And the lettuce is going out of control. We have already chopped off the green onions so many times, but they keep coming. We have to transfer the habanero peppers soon, and the mint is like a jungle right now, and the strawberry too. So Marvel is done eating. We are not letting him go in our yard just because we have to cut the grass. It has become a jungle back there here, so we have to cut the grass. I will mow the lawn soon, over the weekend, so Marvel can go back there. But yeah, we are taking him on a walk right now. And we have no idea what we are gonna eat because this mama does not know what she wants to eat, or because she's super like confused. If I eat this, I don't want it to come out, you know. So, and crazy thing, our package says it is delivered, but it is not, and it is
the one package that I was waiting for.
Yes. So let's see what happened. We are gonna go check back the mailbox again, but I don't know what happened. It says it's delivered. We got the notifications and stuff, but it's not outside on the porch and it's not in the mailbox.
It's basically the baby booster protein. It's like a shake.
Yeah, it's like a supplement.
With nausea.
Yeah, it's like a supplement. It has a good amount of B6 and folic acid and everything for prenatal, in addition to the prenatal supplement that vitamins that she is already taking. Yeah. So
and it has a lot of reviews that people said if you take this first thing in the morning,
it may help with the nausea. Yeah, so
that's why I was eagerly waiting for this one, but I don't know where it is now.
So it might be very well sitting in the mailbox now, so we are gonna recheck it. Let's see.
I am super hungry right now, but I wanted to eat something light. So, making corn, roasted corn, Indian street style corn, also known as bhutta in India. And we usually roast the corn and then take some lemon, dip it in some salt and red paprika, and then just rub it all over the corn, and it's just so good. That's what I'm making. And yeah, and then I think we're gonna go to Costco. Because we recently got the Costco membership and we need to pick up the card, and we'll just roam around the store a little bit. Let's see. Alright. Let's see how it is. I mean, we know how it is because we know this flavor.
It is so sweet.
Juicy and sweet, my god.
Super good.
It's cooked properly, right?
No?
That's okay. So sweet.
This video will turn into an ASMR. We have 2 more left of this. आलू डाल के क्या बोल रहे मेरे लिए भी ना
recommend some more. Let me just...
Feel like the kernel is so big, you get a mouthful.
You guys have to try it. Just take some salt, paprika and lemon juice and then just rub it on this and that's it. It's so good.
Alright guys, so we are off to Costco because with our baby, with our family growing, a baby also growing in her tummy, but with our family growing, we just recently took a membership of Costco. Initially when we were in Florida, we used to have a membership of Sam's Club, and it was super awesome, but then we felt like we barely used it at that time.
There were only like limited items like that you get in Walmart also, but Costco, the brands, the stuff that it has is like very unique and good.
So she's excited, I'm excited. We have only been to Costco once with our friends. So we recently took the membership. It lasts for 1 year, and we are gonna go check out Costco today. Hey guys, what's up? And we are back. We just came back. We finally got our cards, which I have kept so I can show you. We got our Costco card and we got muffins. These are the chocolate muffin and the blueberry muffins because it was 1-on-1, so they always sell by dozen. So we got 1-on-1 free. So Tanya got these two flavors she really wanted to eat, and then one thing she has been looking for a very long time is almond butter, so she got almond butter. I don't think we have tried this almond butter before, so we know how it is. And surprisingly enough, we got an Indian brand of the heat that we normally like, this guy over here. So we got this brand, and besides that we got some water crate, mineral water kind of thing. And
for the muffin?
Yes, I
thought that I was only getting one, but then I checked out, she was like, you gotta get two for this price.
Yeah.
So like, ooh, they're pretty big.
I showed them. They're huge muffins. Alright, so one more thing. Oh, you see, the whole kitchen is on fire. So one more thing that we got at a super discounted price, and we have been looking for this thing for two years. And she was finally able to see it at a very high discounted price, and she almost was like,
and it was my first time I went to Costco, and I was so impressed to see this. I was like, ooh.
So let us show you what we got. And she made a puppy face for that. And here it is. We finally got the hex-clad thing, and the good thing is, if you don't know about hex-clad, it's non-stick and stainless steel. So it has a stainless steel and non-stick, and it is PFOA free. It's oven safe up to 500, so we don't have to worry about that. It's the metal utensil safe, so we also saw the demo and everything, and we have seen the reviews and everything. You can literally use your whisking thing also. Dishwasher safe, hybrid, scratch resistant. You can use your metal utensils on this non-stick. It's scratch proof. Lifetime warranty. That's another thing that stuck with us. We got a saute pan, 8-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch, and a bonus.
And the glass lids for all three of them.
Yes, and the 12-inch is.
And the best part is it is non-stick inside and out. So.
Yes. So, and the best part also is that it has a lifetime warranty. So if anything happens ever, all we have to do is just get a new pan, replace it. So that's what was the nice thing about it. So anyways, we will tell you more about it when we use it. So let's see, and once we open this, we'll show you how it looks. Alright, so this is use this is the biggest lid.
Yep.
And it does have a steaming hole, so that's the best part, because we have had utensils in the past that
the lids kind of started to bubble up.
And yeah.
And liquid comes out from the side.
That is the last thing we want.
Fry pan 10-inch.
The 10-inch fry pan. And look at that!
What?
Ooh,
fancy!
Own thing.
Ah.
So I guess we can save the covers.
I mean, we're not gonna put it every time, but we can just save it.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that! Look at that! This is literally scratch proof and everything.
And front and back.
Yeah.
And everything else is stainless steel. It's a hollow stainless steel design, something so it doesn't get hot.
Yeah.
So that's really cool about it. It doesn't get hot unless you put it in the oven.
Yeah, and then like within 2 minutes it'll cool down.
Alright, this is the...
I think 12-inch, yeah. Oh, it's already 8:30?
Yeah, we are running behind.
We didn't even make dinner till now. Look at him, he's getting excited seeing all the boxes here. Marvel, don't take it, baby, please. Ah, it's gone.
And that is the bigger pan.
Yo, look at that big pan.
And this is the smaller one. The 8-inch.
The 8-inch.
pan.
See, now you don't get all those things in Sam's.
Yeah. This is a smaller pan.
Yep. And now the best one is the wok, because you also get a wok with this.
Yep.
A 12-inch wok. It's a pretty good size. I think tomorrow I'm gonna make Hakka noodles.
These bags are nice. You
Yeah.
can use it for keeping
bags.
shoes while traveling. And that's the wok.
That's a wok. It's a pretty good size wok.
Oof. I'm excited. Alright, so I'm using our new pan here, and we wanted to eat something very simple. So we are eating a tomato aloo, which is tomato and potato curry with some rice. Alright, so one thing I can confirm is that the pan handle is super cool, and the heating is much even than other pans, so I really like that about it. Cheese stuffed. How's it?
So good. It's not too sweet. It's really, really good. Blueberry ones.
This is almost done, and rice is in here. I'm gonna cut some salad, and this is the super late dinner we have ever eaten. Like, our dinner is almost done by 8.
Yeah.
And it's 9 already. So anyways,
Ready? I took it in a small bowl here, mixed it up, and yeah. Well, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed our vlog. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, because you're gonna see so much more as the day goes on. And we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Until then, bye bye.